What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to show you 3 very powerful strategies that you can start using as soon as today to start making money online with Clickbank offers, even if you're a brand new beginner. If you're new to the channel, my name is Saul Sanchez and I release videos on marketing, business, and personal finance. So if you like those subjects, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and you'll get updated when I release a video. All right, so without further ado, no more chit chat. Let's go right into the video and show you exactly what you need to do to start making money with Clickbank. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna come over to Clickbank. And if you don't know, Clickbank is one of the largest affiliate networks online, okay? So there's a lot of products that are already selling very well, and that's what we want. We don't want to try something brand new that we don't know if people are actually going to want to buy. We want to promote something that is already proven to sell, so we just have to find the right people, and then the rest is taken care of. So we're going to click on the affiliate marketplace, and when we come into here, you can see all the different categories. I encourage you to get into something that you actually care about and that you're interested in, because it's going to make everything a lot easier, especially if you want to make this a long-term business and not just get quick cash. All right, for the sake of this video, I am just going to click on this search bar right here without anything in it, and then it's going to give us results for everything that is on Clickbank and not, based on what category you want to search in. Okay, so this is like the top product on Clickbank right now. All right, so in order to know what product we're actually going to promote, what we're going to look at first is the gravity score. So you can see gravity right here on the left hand side. You can search by it, and then also right here it shows the gravity. So what gravity means is that this shows us how many affiliates are not just promoting the actual offer, but are actually making money with that offer. So with this offer right here, research, there's 375 affiliates who have made money with this offer in the last 12 weeks. So we want to look for a product that at the very, very least has a score of 50 in terms of gravity. That's kind of a metric that I go after. And because of the strategy that we are using, we're not going to worry too much of the products that have a very high gravity score, because a lot of people, they're scared of competition, all this kind of stuff. The way we are doing it, that's not going to matter too much. It would matter if we were running ads directly to this offer, because then we're competing with all these other advertisers that are running similar ads to the same thing. But the way we're going to be doing it, it's not going to matter too much. So just pick something that has a high gravity score. And then also, I like looking at products that have, if you see this average rebuild total, so that means there's like some sort of recurring offer. So that means if you promote it once and the person buys on that visit with your link, if they keep on buying into the future, you're going to still get commissions for everything else they buy into the future. So that's always great to have, in your business, because that's passive income. All right, so for the first strategy, I'm just going to tell you about the strategy because it's not really specific to one of these products. It's not specific to a single niche. You could do it for so many different niches. So I just want to show you the strategy, and then you can take it for yourself and then do it for whatever you want to promote. Strategy number 1 is creating viral YouTube compilations of content that is already proven to go viral. Okay, we're not making brand new compilations of something that we don't know that people actually want to watch. So for example, here's a compilation of the best TikTok compilations. So all they're doing is putting together videos that already have millions and millions of views on their own, and now they're compiling it into one main video that someone can watch for 14, 15 minutes. And because of that, because this is already content that is inherently viral, it's very easy for them to get a lot of views very quickly, even if it's a brand new account. So if you notice, let's click into here right now. All right, so we have this TikTok compilation right here. And what you want to notice is if you go down here to the description, there's a lot of links right here, okay? So they have this main offer right here. And if you click on this, this is actually a drop shipping store. I'm going to show you in just a second. So they're promoting this offer right here, okay? And I guess it appeals to their target market. So the people who are on TikTok would also like this for their room. So it has, some sort of product market fit. If you can see down below, what they also did was they listed off different kind of gear that you can get if you wanted to, start making TikToks and what you should actually start using. So that's very smart. These are Amazon links, but they're actually affiliate links from Amazon. So they're making money for every purchase. So if we click on the first one, I'll show you this one right here. So they're sending people to this page right here. What's great about Amazon's affiliate program is that if someone adds this to their cart, but they also buy something else completely unrelated, let's say they buy groceries, they buy a book, whatever it is. If they buy all of those things on that one purchase through your affiliate link, your commission is going to be based on the entire order, not just this one product right here. So that's great because all you have to do is get someone to Amazon, and then, once they realize, okay, I need to buy this thing, I need to buy this thing, then their average cart value goes up, and then you're going to get commissions on that as well. So this video right here has 470,000 views. So, even if 1% of those people click through to this, or even half of that 1%, that's a fairly large amount of traffic that they got to this store. And I'm sure they made a lot of money from that product. Now, the compilations don't have to be about TikTok. This is just an example. Like you can do literally for anything. It could be a compilation about, cat videos, dog videos. It could be about sports highlights. There's so many different compilations that you can find online, and I guarantee you that like most of them have links in their description that are pointing people to something that audience would actually be interested in. And this would actually be more effective if it was a niche audience like cat videos or dog videos, because TikToks are pretty much going after everyone. Like everyone could be a TikTok viewer. And so it's kind of hard to find the right thing to promote right here because not everyone's going to be interested in it. But if you have a niche audience, it's very easy to pick the right product that audience is going to like. So the compilation itself is very easy to create. Okay, people are already spending like hours and hours a day on TikTok. All you got to do is save the ones that you really like and then put them all together. Okay, that's all you literally got to do. And then you can there's a lot of websites where you can put these bars on the side right here. You don't have to be a video editor or anything like that. And then when you're uploading videos, I would recommend using a tool like TubeBuddy. And I use that right here. If you can see right here, it shows you different stats on different videos, shows you all the different tags. So it's a very easy way to kind of reverse engineer what you should be doing with your videos when you post, so you can get a lot of traffic right away. I'll put the link in my description if you guys want TubeBuddy to help you out with your YouTube videos. All right, so strategy number 2 is similar to the first strategy, but this is gonna be on Facebook, and it's for a very specific reason, okay? The reason why we wanna use Facebook is because the potential for something to go viral is so much stronger on Facebook than any other platform. The sole reason for that is because of the share button that Facebook has. So for example, if we search up dog videos and we click on videos right here, okay, there's all these different 44 million, 100,000, there's a lot of different videos, 15 million, all this kind of stuff. What I was surprised when I saw these videos is that I looked at the captions and none of them had links in them. They're getting all this traffic, but they're not sending anyone to anything. And it would be very easy to, put an affiliate offer in the caption of one of these videos. So if you go back here, there's all these dog training products, cookbooks for dogs. I'm sure there's some supplements somewhere in here as well. Okay, there's so many different things. All right, so in order to get these videos a lot of views, we already know that, they're videos that are going to be viral, but we need to get people in front of this video so they can actually see it and actually start sharing it to a lot of people. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be running an ad to one of these videos. And it's not gonna be a lot of money. It's gonna be like $5 or $10 a day. And we're just giving it a little bit of a push with some advertising spend so enough people can get in front of it. And then the goal is for those people to start sharing, to start liking, to start commenting and tagging their friends, create this viral factor. And then once that happens, we can stop spending money on ads. We don't have to spend another dime, but it will keep on getting more views because now the organic reach will start taking over. People will start sharing like crazy. All right, and for strategy number 3, all we're doing, and this is actually the easiest one, is we're gonna be finding influencers who are using the same videos that we just talked about. So the compilations, these cute dog videos, all this kind of stuff. We're gonna find the ones who are not using any sort of links, not using any sort of affiliate marketing. Maybe they don't know about affiliate marketing for whatever reason. So we're gonna be contacting them and then asking to put our links in their description. So first of all, you might be thinking, okay, why would they put my link in their description if they can just get their own link for that same product and put it in their description? So number 1, maybe they don't know about affiliate marketing. It's very possible. There's so many influencers that don't know how to monetize their audience. So it's not surprising that they don't know what affiliate marketing is. Now, the second option, in case they know it's affiliate marketing, all this kind of stuff, and they don't want to promote your link, what you can do now is instead of promoting the affiliate offer right away, you can send people to a landing page and you can give away something for free. Let's say it's like an ebook or a guide or a checklist, anything like that. So for example, for the dog niche, I could put together a little PDF document that shows like the top 10 ways to train your dog in under a week. I don't know, I came up with that randomly. But anyway, you can come up with something like that that is very enticing. It's absolutely free, but the benefit now is that when that person opts in, they give you their email address. You can now email that person all your different affiliate offers, and you can keep on emailing them other promotions into the future as well. And if you want to know how to do the email marketing properly, I do have a video on email marketing for affiliate marketers, and I think it's the most complete video that I've seen online about it. And what you can also do, instead of just sending the link via email, you can also give it to them right after they've opted in for the free lead magnet. So on the thank you page, you're going to be like, hey, thanks a lot for leaving your information and opting in for X, Y, and Z. By the way, we also have this thing that you should check out because it's so awesome and all this kind of stuff. Then you send them over to the affiliate link as well. But the benefit to this is because the front end thing that you're promoting, the lead magnet, this is something that you created, and it's very easy to create. You can just compile different like blog posts or whatever it is. Because this is yours, now the influencer can't really say that, you know, they can promote it themselves, because they can't. It's your product, right? It's not an affiliate offer that you're trying to promote. So when you're going after influencers, make sure to always start off with micro influencers, people that have like a few thousand followers, maybe 10 or 20,000 followers, so that it's not a large investment to actually get them to, you know, stick your link in their description or, you know, on an Instagram story, whatever it is. Start off very small, spend 40, 50 bucks to test it out. Once you make profit back, then reinvest, and then try a larger influencer, and then you keep on reinvesting to larger and larger influencers until you're at the actual like real influencers who have a real following. So those are the 3 strategies that you can start using. So number 1 was YouTube compilations, leveraging content that is already inherently viral. So you know it's gonna do well on YouTube, you know it's gonna get a lot of views. Strategy number 2 is to use viral content on Facebook and give it a little bit of a push with some Facebook ads. And I didn't mention this earlier, but what you're gonna be doing with that ad is running an engagement campaign. So when you do that, Facebook is gonna find people who are highly probable of liking, commenting, sharing on your posts, so you can have that viral factor actually kick in. So we're only spending a little bit of money, giving it a little bit of a push, and then once it starts getting shared and people start commenting, liking, all that kind of stuff, then we can turn off the ads, and it's just gonna get a lot of organic reach, and we don't have to pay for any of that. Strategy number 3 is to find influencers who are just doing this already, like maybe on their pastime, and they're not monetizing their audience already. They're not putting affiliate links in the description. They're not putting affiliate links in their captions or anything like that. So we can reach out to them, you know, ask to pay a little bit of money so we can put our products in their descriptions and their captions, and then we get the traffic that they are already generating. All right, that is it for this video. Hopefully I gave you guys some inspiration in terms of what you can be doing to direct traffic that is already going viral online, and how to direct it to affiliate products that you are trying to promote. If you got any value from this video, make sure to like and comment down below. Let me know what that was. And also hit subscribe so you're updated when I release a new video. Once again, my name is Saul Sanchez. I want to thank you for tuning in. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one tomorrow.